Good morning, class. Today we shall revise the poem Adventures of Isabel. In this series, I shall tell you the summary of the poem. What is the summary of the poem? You know, I have explained the chapters, explained the poems that is written by the Ogden Nash. So, what will be the summary of the poem? Ogden Nash's Adventures of Isabel is a funny poem. Means Ogden Nash's poem Adventures of Isabel is a funny comic poem, interesting comic poem that tells what happens when a girl named Isabel meets a ravenous bear. Means in this poem it is explained, it is told that what happens when a girl named whose name is Isabel meets a ravenous bear. Ravenous means extremely hungry bear. She meets suddenly with a ravenous bear who with a cavernous mouth. Cavernous mouth means who has a cave-like spread mouth to eat up the Isabel. But the bear could not become success to it, although Isabel herself eats the bear. She meets with a witch, a giant, and a doctor, and who all want to harm her. Means who these when giants, witch, a doctor, always these persons always wants to harm to Isabel, but they could not become success. And instead of worrying and panicking, instead of being worry and panicking, the Isabel thinks fast. She thinks fast with her presence of mind and calmly beats all the problems, all of the problem, and she overcome from this situation. So this is the summary of the poem, and now I shall write you the question answer 5, 6, and 7. You know, question number 5. What is the question number 5? Question 5 is what was Isabel doing during her meeting with the giant? You know, what was the Isabel doing? What was Isabel doing? What was Isabel doing her meeting with the giant? In this for the answer of this question, it will be the question answer of the question 5. You know what will be its answer? Isabel was nibbling. Nibbling means कुतर कुतर के खाना. Nibbling, NIBBLING, nibbling the jewbag. I have told you what do you mean by the jewbag. Toasted brownish bread. It's called jewbag. Jewbag that used to feed up during meeting with the giant. With the giant. Right. This is the answer of question number 5. Now the answer of the question number 6. And what is the question? What did the doctor want Isabel to do? What did the doctor want Isabel to do? You know, for this answer, you can write the answer the doctor wanted. The doctor wanted Isabel to swallow yes, WALLOW, to swallow the pills in order to make her well. Cure. CURE. This is the answer of 5. Now question answer 7. That is the last. This question is, how did Isabel deal with the doctor? How did Isabel deal with the doctor? So we will write the answer for this question. The answer will be, as usual, Isabel neither she was worried neither as usual Isabel neither was worried nor did she scream or scary. She took pills from doctor's bag and made him to swallow them. Such she cured the doctor. That is all about the question answer. So I hope that you have understood the poem, question answer, central idea, word meaning, and everything from the poem. That is all about the poem. I hope that you will study and you have understood and you will revise the poem. Thank you, class.